Predators are still active, even in January, as can be seen here in this video of a coyote and then of a bobcat at an Audubon sanctuary in Orange County, New York, and at a nearby National Wildlife Refuge where you can see short-eared owls and harrier hawks. So these predators are active. What are they eating? Rodents are a source of food for a great diversity of animals throughout the year, but especially in winter when many of the cold-blooded animals are hibernating and insects are not active. These rodents can then be the major source of food for many of the predators which remain in an area during winter. Perhaps the sheer numbers of these rodents which might be available can be appreciated in these videos as I clean out bluebird houses in January. So if you have bird houses such as bluebird houses, certainly birds may put nesting material there during breeding season. And in winter, mice may then make this into their lair where they can protect themselves and stay warm. And so it is a good idea to clean out these bird houses so that they are empty and available for birds whose seasons to defend territories, seek mates, and perhaps even make a nest and lay eggs begins in late winter. And so as I clean out the houses which during the summer can have bluebirds or tree swallows or wrens, you can see the sheer number of mice which have made it their home. Now, interestingly, this winter has been unusually warm and unusually wet, and so the number of mice in these birdhouses far exceeds what I've seen in the past. But nevertheless, I think this then speaks to how abundant this prey item might be for all of the mammalian predators, ranging from coyotes to foxes to that bobcat to other things such as in this sanctuary there have been otters and mink and fishers, to the great diversity of bird predators such as red-tailed hawks, the harrier hawks, rough-legged hawks, and short-eared owls that one can find in this area. So many of these predators depend on these rodents for food, and you can see in these videos just how abundant they may be. At night, these mice would leave these bird houses and enter the burrows, which one often finds at the base of these bird houses, to go out then and forage for food, such as seeds and other types of plant material. It should be stressed that these mice are not the only rodents which can be found in this area. There are many other types, such as voles. While voles might be less likely to find in these nest boxes, one can see their burrows in a wetland, and even during the day see one occasionally scurrying about. Not only are rodents extremely abundant in terms of individuals, they compose almost half of all species of mammals.